Financial tips in 2 minutes. Financial tip 1: Budgeting basics. Budgeting is the foundation of financial success. Start by tracking your expenses for a month. Then, create a budget that allocates your income to essential needs, savings, and some fun money. Stick to it. Financial tip 2: Emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Build an emergency fund with at least 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. It's your safety net in case of unexpected events. Financial tip 3: Credit card wisdom. Credit cards can be helpful or harmful. Pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest. Your credit score will thank you. Financial tip 4: Investing early. Investing early can supercharge your wealth. Start now, even with small amounts. Compound interest is your best friend. Financial tip 5: Retirement planning. Don't wait to plan for retirement. Contribute to a retirement account like a 401k or IRA. Time is your greatest asset. Financial tip 6: Pay yourself first. Make savings automatic. Set up regular transfers to your savings account. It's easier to save what you never see. Financial tip 7: Avoid lifestyle inflation. As your income grows, resist the urge to inflate your lifestyle. Save and invest the extra. Financial freedom awaits. Financial tip 8: Debt management. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts like credit cards. Snowball or avalanche method, choose what works for you. Financial tip 9: Diversify investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your investments across different assets to spread risk. Financial tip 10: Continuous learning. Financial literacy is a lifelong journey. Stay curious and keep learning. Knowledge is your best tool. Thank you for watching.